Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show how to make mixed vegetable pulao. Last minute, actually, I've decided to have this for lunch and thought of sharing the recipe with you all. So for that, what I've taken is I've taken vegetable which is cauliflower, carrot, potatoes, and peas. Uh, Vegetable should be of your choice. Whatever you want to use, you can use like capsicum. There is sweet baby corns, and there are French beans and mushrooms. All that stuff you can use of your choice. So here I've taken only four, and also I've taken onions, which is two medium chopped and kept, one medium tomato chopped and kept. Green peas I've taken 100 grams. Then I have potato, one medium size, cut in small dice, carrot 1 cut in small dice, cauliflower 150 grams. Now cauliflower, potatoes, cauliflower, what you have to do is basically once you cut potatoes, you need to add water and keep. Otherwise, it changes the color. For cauliflower, what you have to do is when you buy cauliflower, before you start cutting the cauliflower, you have to soak it in warm water with salt and turmeric powder. So if there is any bacteria or worms, you that will come out from that. At least half an hour, soak it and keep, and then you start cutting it. That's what I did. I've also have a garlic peeled, which is crushed and kept, 8 clove, and then I have turmeric powder half a teaspoon, green chili one slit and kept. I've taken one Maggi cube, which is a vegetable. Now, for in order to avoid this, what you have to do is you can use a broth, vegetable broth. It is always better to use a broth. So today I had limited time. I was running out of time, so I'm using this one. In order to make stock, what you have to do is you need basically mirepoix, onion, carrot, celery, all that stuff, or even the peels you can use, and bouquet gunny, and boil it for at least half an hour or 40 minutes. You get a better stock. That stock, instead of water, you can use that one. So let's and basmati rice, the main ingredients, that you need to soak it. What I did is I've soaked it in water, wash it for at least 3-4 times, and then soak it in water for at least half an hour. And now let's start with the cooking process. Now let's start with the cooking process. Cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, and peppercorn. What I did is you need to dry roast them first. What I've taken is 12 each of black peppercorn, 8 of a clove. Then I have cardamom, 4 each green cardamom, and then cinnamon, which is half a teaspoon. Once these are slightly roast to get better flavor, you have to add 2 tablespoons of ghee, and keep it on medium flame now. Now we'll add garlic. Saute garlic for a while. Now add onions. Let this saute for a while. Now I will add tomatoes and let it saute for a while, for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now I will add potatoes. Let potatoes cook for a while, for at least till it is 50% done. We'll leave this on medium flame now. Now since potatoes are half done, we add cauliflower and carrot. Mix this proper. Add little bit of more water so that it is cooked. Add salt to this. Mix this properly. And we'll cover this and keep. So you just have to cook it for nearly a minute. Now I will add rice. Water. Now water, what you have to do is we need hot water. Now I've added 500 grams of rice. That is 2 cups. So you have to add 4 cups of water to this. And also the water should be hot. Green chili, Maggi cube, turmeric powder, and peas. I will mix this properly. And I will cover this and keep it. Let this be on simmer. Guys, check this out. This was on simmer. Now you have to mix it with a fork. Don't use ladder or don't use a spatula. Let this be on simmer on a very low flame, and we'll cover this and keep. Guys, check this out. This water is almost about to dry now. Now what we'll do is we'll turn off the flame and cover this and keep. Do not open. Look at the grains. Now don't wait till the water get dried up. You have to once like the water is about to get dry, that time you have to switch off the flame. Now I'm going to turn off the flame, cover it, add tight lid, and keep it like this. So let it get cooked by itself for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Do not open the cover. Guys, check this out. This is the final product. This is ready to be served now. Check the grains, how beautiful they are. This is how pulao should be. Now as I've shown, like not mixing with the ladle. That is very, very important. Please follow step, please follow each and every ingredients which I have used, and you will get a better result, better taste. uh, Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first one to get it. And also check out my other recipes, simple recipes I have posted till now. You can try this at home. All the ingredients easily you get it in the market. Try each and every recipe and you will love those recipes also. So thanks for watching and God bless you all.